This is the Chrysler 300 OBD port location. See, we have a Chrysler 300. And the OBD port is located by the driver's seat, right under the dash, right where your knee would be at. You're gonna look under the dash, near the brake pedal, just above where the brake pedal is. Gonna go under, and if you look right in the center, next to the hood release, there is the OBD port there, where you see the little blue tab. So this is the OBD port location.